Let us do one solved example. We have a particle which starts a motion and its position is given as vector r equals to 2t cube plus 4t I cap plus 3t square plus 7j cap at any instant. So we are given this position vector which has I component and j component, or which has x and y component simultaneously. So that means this is a 2D motion, this is a body, this is a particle moving in a plane, and we have to find velocity and acceleration of the particle at t equals to 1 second. So we can write here as vector r has both x and y component. To describe its position, this will be your x component and this will be your y component. So we can write here that the x position on x axis is defined by the equation 2t cube plus 4t. This is the part of the equation which defines the position along x-axis, and similarly position y is defined by 3t square plus 7. So we can find the parameters velocity and acceleration separately for both of them, and in the end we can find the net velocity and net acceleration. So velocity along x-axis Vx will be given as dx by dt. It will be equal to 6t plus 4. Similarly, Vy can be written as dy by dt, which will be equal to 60. Similarly, we can find acceleration along x-axis. This will be equal to dvx by dt, and this will be 6. And ay, which is given as dvy by dt, will also be 6. This will be 6. Vx will be 6t square. So it will be equal to, acceleration will be equal to 12t. This will be the correction. So both of these are velocity along x-axis, velocity along y-axis, acceleration along x-axis, and acceleration along y-axis. Now we have to find the values at t equals to 1 second. So we can write at t equals to 1 second, the value of v, the net velocity will be equal to vx I cap plus vy j cap. So we put t equals to 1 here, this will become 10. The x component is 10, so we can write 10 I cap. The y component is 6, so we can write 6 j cap. Similarly, acceleration, it can be written as ax I cap plus ay j cap. And if we put t equals to 1 second here, it will be 12 I cap, and 6 will remain as it is as 6 j cap. So these will be the vector equations of velocity and acceleration. You can also find the resultant, the net velocity. The net velocity will be root of 10 square plus 6 square, which will be 136. So 136, root of 136. Similarly, net acceleration will be equal to 12 square plus 6 square. So it will be 144 plus 36. So it will be 180, root of 180. So these will be your solutions.